In this video, I'm going to show you how to post unoriginal content on TikTok and YouTube Shorts without getting any strikes. I've personally used these methods to make over $60,000 on YouTube and TikTok. I have grown 3 pages to over 20,000 followers within a month and helped grow 1 page to 400,000 subscribers on YouTube Shorts in just a few months. There are 4 methods I'll cover, which includes one secret method I have seen multiple creators use to make over $100,000 at the end. So let's dive right into method number 1. This method works primarily for TikTok and is pretty straightforward. Use clips from lesser known creators or sources. Instead of using videos from major accounts or celebrities, look for content from smaller or newer creators. Here are a few ideas. 1. Check out smaller podcasts or up-and-coming YouTubers. Find videos from accounts with lower follower counts or less exposure. By choosing clips from people who aren't widely reposted, you reduce the risk of getting flagged for unoriginal content. Additionally, if you're reposting a clip from a popular creator, aim to use a clip from their older videos that are less likely to have been reposted by others. For method 2, let's take a moment to break down what fair use is and how it can help you create content safely. Fair use allows you to use copyrighted content if it's transformative and adds new value to the original work. To make your videos fair use compliant, follow these guidelines.
I have never wanted to eat a sound until right now.
1. Add commentary or analysis. Share your opinions, insights, or critiques on the clips you're using. This changes the nature of the content, adding a unique layer of value. 2. Use clips for education or criticism. Content that educates, criticizes, or satirizes falls under fair use. Even if you're just highlighting why a clip is interesting or relevant, it transforms the original content. 3. Ensure the clip serves a purpose beyond entertainment. Try to position your content as adding something beyond just entertainment. Providing a reaction, making comparisons, or relating it to current trends are ways to make it more valuable. 4. Limit clip length and avoid pure reposting. Even under fair use, it's essential not to rely entirely on long, unedited clips. Keep them short and follow the previous methods like adding commentary or overlays to show that your use is transformative. By following these steps, you can stay well within fair use guidelines and make it much harder for your content to be flagged or removed. On my channel, with 400,000 subscribers, I personally use this method by adding a new narrative to existing content using AI voice to provide engaging voiceover. This channel alone has generated over $20,000. The content used can either be imagery or video clips, like small snippets of movie clips, for example, for a movie recaps. This is one of the only ways you can repurpose content on YouTube Shorts, as they are much more advanced with detection. But if you wait until the end, I will give the secret to how hundreds of creators are printing thousands with minimal effort. Before we move on, our students are making up to $15,000 a month by posting content that's entertaining, effortless, and totally faceless. Take Ben, for example. He has 2 accounts, each with over 100,000 followers on both TikTok and YouTube. With monetizable, low-maintenance content, he's earned over $50,000 and generated more than 400 million views. If you want to learn how to do the same, join my free school community linked in the description. Now, let's dive into the next method. The first method is one I use regularly, and it's all about making small changes to clips to make TikTok's algorithm recognize them as original. You don't need to change a lot, but a few adjustments will make a big difference. One important rule to follow is to try and use 3 different clips per video, with each clip being under 30 seconds long. Through extensive testing, I found that this approach drastically reduces the chances of getting a strike. Find a clip you want to use on YouTube or another platform, then bring it into an editing tool like CapCut. 2. Edit each segment by making small changes, such as mirroring the video, flipping it horizontally, adding auto captions, or applying filters and effects to change the look. 3. Add a narrative or a story to the video to qualify it under fair use. For example, in motivational videos, you can use different clips to convey a message. These small tweaks make it much harder for TikTok to recognize it as the same clip that's been used before. Remember, keep each segment under 30 seconds and use multiple clips in one video to stay on the safe side. The 4th method is to react to clips yourself. People are making thousands of dollars per month doing this with minimal effort. Here's some examples from YouTube Shorts. All the videos you see are printing money. This method doesn't just help you avoid strikes, it also makes your video transformative under fair use guidelines. Here's how to make it work. Record your reactions as an overlay, even if it's just a simple face cam. Adding your thoughts makes the clip unique and shows that you're not simply reposting. If you don't want to appear on camera, you can also use AI avatars to add your reaction. Platforms like Synthesia.io and HeyGen.com allow you to create an avatar that will speak any text you input. Just type your commentary, and the AI avatar will deliver it. It's a simple way to add originality without needing to be on camera. To set it up, use CapCut or another editor to place your reaction video in a corner and add text or captions to highlight key points. This method not only adds originality to your content, but also makes it transformative, which strengthens its fair use status. Let's quickly talk about how TikTok flags content. TikTok's algorithm doesn't know if a video is yours or not. It only recognizes whether it's been posted before in a similar form. Here's what to keep in mind. 1. Avoid using clips that have been reposted thousands of times without changes. 2. Always keep your clips short and combine multiple clips in one video. 3. Add unique elements like captions, overlays, or effects to make the video truly yours. If you're mindful of these details, you'll reduce the risk of being flagged for unoriginal content. That wraps up the 3 methods for posting unoriginal content on TikTok without getting strikes. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment or join my completely free school, linked in the description. We have a full team of mentors who will happily answer your questions. These mentors were previously students who have now mastered their craft. And if you're interested in seeing how you can create completely original niche videos, I have a full playlist linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.